Well, our top story. Congress President Rahul Gandhi is finding himself at the end of a political storm after commenting on the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi that he had to push forward a woman to defend himself. Now, the National Commission for Women has stepped in and said that it will send a notice to the Congress leader asking him to explain his statement. Rahul Gandhi was reacting after Defence Minister Nirmala Sitharaman challenged his claims of corruption in the multi-billion-dollar deal for 36 jets from the French manufacturer Dassault and Rafale. Now, responding to Nirmala Sitharaman's strong rebuttal, Rahul Gandhi said instead of answering the charge himself, Prime Minister Narendra Modi had got a woman to defend himself in Parliament.
छप्पन इंच की छाती वाले प्रधानमंत्री लोकसभा में 1 मिनट के लिए नहीं आ पाया। 2.5 घंटे राजस्थान के युवाओं, 2.5 घंटे निर्मला सीतारमण जी ने भाषण दिया। भाषण की धज्जियां उड़ा दी हमने, हमारे सवाल के जवाब नहीं दे पाई। जनता की अदालत से 56 इंच की छाती वाला चौकीदार भाग गया और एक महिला से कहता है, सीतारमण जी आप मेरी रक्षा कीजिए, मैं अपनी रक्षा नहीं कर पाऊंगा, आप मेरी रक्षा कीजिए।
Now, the statement immediately drew fire from the BJP camp. The Prime Minister hit back at the Congress leader addressing a public rally in Uttar Pradesh. He said the country had for the first time got a woman as the defence minister, but Rahul Gandhi was choosing to insult her. Social media was abuzz with many calling out the Congress chief for making derogatory statements against a woman. The External Affairs Minister Sushma Swaraj described Rahul Gandhi's comments on Nirmala Sitharaman as a new low in Indian politics. Many tweeted with the hashtag misogynist Minister Rahul and also other such hashtags. Now, the National Commission for Women too has taken note and demanded an explanation from Rahul Gandhi. In responding to the protests, Rahul Gandhi tweeted, and I quote, with all due respect, Modi ji, in our culture, respect for women begins at home. Stop shaking, be a man and answer my question. Did the Air Force and Defence Ministry object when you bypassed the original Rafale deal, yes or no?